Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn how we are going to fetch sales order by ID. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we have the simple code. Let's go and just check. Okay, let's add this. Let's copy this. Here we have to pass the ID. Let's have a look for that one. We have the sales order, right? So let's go to sales order already created. Let's go with the ID. Let's copy this and paste it over here because we need with the ID, right? Or maybe we'll put into the string. Okay, fine. Then we have to change it our domain. Let's save it. Let's run it. And here we have the record for this one. Okay. So this is how you can fetch this one by ID. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.